Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Now we will present our discussion about seismometer calibration. And let me introduce my team. There are Anta Jaya, Rianda Rahmat, Fiska Devi, and Javiero, and Risa Mina, Bakti Adi Negara. And now we will explain about definition of calibration, definition of seismometer, calibration, function of seismometer calibration method, and calibration result. And now definition of calibration. According to ISO IEC Guide 17025 2005 and vocabulary of international metrology, calibration is a series of activities that establish a relationship between the values indicated by measuring instruments or measurement systems or the values represented by measuring materials and the corresponding known values of the measured quantities under certain conditions. In other words, calibration is the activity to determine the conventional truth of the indicated values of measuring instruments and measuring materials by comparing against trackable measuring standards to national and international standards for units of measure and/or international and certified reference materials.
Definition of seismometer calibration. Several authors have presented several calibration methods for this type of electromagnetic seismometer. For seismometers with a single coil, the classic method often used is the one proposed by Wilmore (1959) and modified by White (1970), where the sensor is viewed as four balance bridge elements. In a similar way, Mitronovas and Wayland (1975) described the use of Lissajous figures of the measurements of the phase difference between two sinusoidal signals, one input in the coil and the other recording the output voltage of the seismometer. Function of seismometer calibration. The function of calibration is to achieve measurement traceability. Measurement results can be linked traced to higher, more precise standards, national and international primary standards, chalk and unbroken series of comparison, determine deviation of the truth of the conventional value of the designers of measuring instrument, guarantee measurement result in accordance with national and international standards. Seismometer calibration methods. Seismometer calibration is done by absolute and relative methods. Absolutes use mechanical calibration using a vibration table when the seismometer is placed of a higher accuracy. Mechanical vibrating table that simulates ground motion.
Seismometer calibration method. Seismometer calibration is done by absolute and relative methods. Relative calibration, when an analog electrical signal is input to the calibration coil of a seismometer and the resulting output is recorded. The calibration signal input can be pulses, step function, random binary signal, noise, and sound wave of different frequencies. Calculation calibration result. The calculation of the seismometer calibration result includes the calculation of the sensitivity value, the damping constant value, and the uncertainty value. Number one, calculation of seismometer sensitivity. Seismometer sensitivity is defined as the electrical quantity versus the physical quantity. In this case, voltage versus velocity. Volts are obtained from the maximum peak-to-peak value of the calibration signal. Velocity is calculated using parameters in the seismometer datasheet such as moment of inertia, reduced pendulum length, sensitivity coil calibration, and apply input current. Seismometer sensitivity is defined as the electrical quantity versus the physical quantity, in this case voltage versus velocity.
The acceleration A is calculated using the equation A is equal to c multiplied by I. A acceleration I couldn't apply, C calibration coil constant. In general, the seismometer calibration coil constant is given in the seismometer data sheet, such as the Trillium seismometer, UD5, etc. If the parameter is not known, then it is calculated using other parameter in the seismometer datasheet, like the TDV23S seismometer used in this study. The seismometer calibration coil constant is calculated using the equation C is equal to Sg divided by M. C coil calibration constant, Sg calibration coil sensitivity, M mass. Mass is obtained from the parameter of moment of inertia and pendulum length. M is equal to I divided by square of L. I inertia, L pendulum length. Besides sensitivity, another important parameter is the damping constant. D equal 1 divided by the square root of the sum of 1 and the fraction of pi. Pi divided by the natural logarithm of the ratio of x1 to x2.
Calibration result, where x1 and x2 are the first peak and first valley of the calibration pulse. As you can see guys, this is calculation of damping constant figure. The seismometer damping constant value is usually categorized as critical damp with a constant of 0.707 Calculation of measurement uncertainty of seismometer calibration. After making one-time repeat observation, then second of repeat observation, the average value can be calculated again. There will likely be a slight difference between the mean of the second observation from the first mean. The standard deviation is an estimate of the distribution of the population from which the values were taken. The estimate distribution of the population mean can be calculated from the standard deviation of the experimental mean. The standard uncertainty of type A of a quantity determined from independent repeat observation is the value of EMR.